How can I replace a lost birth certificate? To replace a lost birth certificate in the USA, follow these general steps. 1. Identify the state of birth. Birth certificates are issued by state or county vital records offices, not the federal government. You must contact the vital records office in the state where you were born. 2. Visit the state vital records website. Go to the official website for that state's Department of Health or Vital Records Office. A reliable source is the CDC's page at https://www.cdc.gov/nchs/w2w.htm, which provides official links for each U.S. state's birth certificate request page. 3. Prepare required information. You'll need to gather some personal information such as your full name as it appears on the birth certificate, date and place of birth, and your parents' full names, including your mother's maiden name. You should also be ready to state your relationship to the person named on the certificate, if it's not yourself, the reason for the request, and provide a valid government-issued photo ID. 4. Submit your request. You can usually submit your request online through the official state website or an approved service like VitalChek, by mail, or in person at the state or county vital records office if you're nearby. 5. Pay the fee. Each state charges a fee to replace a birth certificate, typically ranging from $10 to $30. Payment methods vary but often include credit cards, checks, or money orders. 6. Wait for processing. Processing and delivery times depend on the state and the method of request. Online and expedited services may take a few days, while mail requests might take several weeks. Important tip: if you need it urgently, some states offer expedited shipping or allow requests through VitalChek.com, a trusted third-party service. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe, and share with friends. See you in the next video.